Como me recula la dominicana, qué rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico pipí, billetes de 100 en el maletín, que retumba el bajo.
Hello guys, welcome back to Afrosia TV. So today is Halloween, and you know what that means. It's about to get spooky. By the way, I have my mask with me. I do not have any costumes, but I'm going to this party, this Halloween party with this mask. My goal is to capture nice videos tonight at the party. I don't know if people are going to actually come in costumes, but I hope they do, so that I can be able to get very nice, colorful videos for you guys. So let's go to the party and find out how Russians celebrate Halloween.
This time and it's excellence, two-door preference, roof gone, George Jefferson, that white frost on that pound cake so you're broken high. Ya estaba llamándome, muéstrame el camino que yo voy.
Тратим время, сливая килограммы денег после небольшого перформанса.